In this question, we want to find the limit of x squared minus 4x plus 4 on x power 4 minus 3x squared minus 4 as x approaches 2. The first thing we can do is try direct substitution. So that will give us 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 4 divided by 2 power 4 minus 3 times 2 squared minus 4. So we get 4 minus 8 plus 4 and 16 minus 2 2s are 4, 3 4s are 12 minus 4. So you can see we're going to get 0 on 0, which is the indeterminate form. So now we need to try some other approaches, and it looks like we can do some factorization here. So we have the limit as x approaches 2 of x squared minus 4x plus 4, which can be factorized to x minus 2 times x minus 2. And we'll factorize the denominator on the right side. So we have x power 4 minus 3x squared minus 4. What I'll do here is I'll let u equal x squared. So that will give us u squared minus 3u minus 4. That will factorize to u minus 4 times u plus 1. So that gives us the factors x squared minus 4, because u equals x squared, and x squared plus 1 as the second factor. Note that x squared minus 4 can be factorized using difference of squares. So that gives x minus 2, x plus 2. And this remains as x squared plus 1. So now we'll write that back to the question. We have x minus 2 times x plus 2 times x squared plus 1. Note now you can cancel x minus 2, x minus 2. Now we can try our direct substitution to see if it works now. So substitute 2 into your expression here. So we'll have 2 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 2 times 2 squared plus 1. So we're going to get 0 divided by 4 times 5, which is 0 on 20. So this shows that the limit is 0. Thanks for watching.